I hear it in the solar system. I had a temperature. The temperature is made up of silicon rock and with ice, metal, like the Earth cloud, like the big sun and the big Jupiter. They have a core, but Jupiter don't have a silicon surface. Jupiter doesn't have a silicon surface because it's much further to the sun. Sun is so huge that all the other planets can fit inside of the sun. It can fit 155 planets. Because sun, this thinking stuff. Sun have a different type of silicon rocks. Sun is known as a medium-sized comparison planet. The core is something you ask my parent, daddy, or mommy, or grandma's, or parents, or a quiet understand, or I can thank you of your channels. Can subscribe right here. I see tomato. I got a temperature of your temperatures. Bye. Subscribe. I see tomato on the asteroid on chapter 2, on chapter 4, on chapter 5. Bye bye.